Having a daily inspection routine can help keep a machine and a job site running efficiently. I'm going to show you the steps for a basic daily inspection of a Vermeer horizontal directional drill. Please refer to the operator's and maintenance manual for your specific machine requirements. Inspect all shields and safety decals for any damage and replace as needed. Before starting the engine, check the engine oil and coolant, hydraulic oil, and fuel levels. After checking the fluids, also check the air filter restriction indicator. Next, inspect the machine for hydraulic leaks and electrical harnesses, for loose connections and fraying. Common areas to inspect may include the engine compartment, stake downs, carriage, and hose carrier. Inspect the front and rear vices for wear and replace as needed. A best practice to help minimize excessive wear on the vices is to clean them thoroughly at the end of each day, making sure the vice teeth are free of grease and debris. Lastly, it is important to have clean threads before using a thread gauge to inspect the wear on the sub-saver and replace if excessive wear is visible. Now open the grease bucket to check the level and replace if needed. A best practice is to test the grease nozzle to make sure it sprays in the appropriate area and the adequate amount of grease. You can test this by spraying grease on the sub-saver threads. To ensure quality inspections, it is best practice to wash and grease the machine at the end of each day. Now you have a daily inspection that you can use to keep your machine running efficiently. Thanks for watching.